I hate when people say they're not smart enough to trade stocks. And you definitely don't need boatloads of cash. All you need is to find one indicator or pattern to fit your edge. So I'm going to show you the easiest indicator to use for new traders to consistently stay profitable. Open up any trading app. I personally use TradingView. Pull up the indicators and turn on the EMA. All this is basically the moving average of the stock. The 50-day moving average, the 20-day moving average, and the 200-day moving average. So here's how to use the EMA to know when to buy. That yellow line is the 20-day moving average. When that crosses over the 50-day moving average, we're in a bullish trend. So if you buy in right here on the cross, you would sell when the price drops back below the yellow line. This is Apple's chart. You can go back and look at it. So if you would have bought in here, you would have sold here, and you would have bought in here, and you still haven't sold. Here's another example using Boeing's chart. You simply bought in here when the 20-day EMA crossed over the 50, you would have bought here and sold right here. Tons of professional traders use the EMA indicator mixed with a momentum indicator to spot their setups. And we talk about how to do that right here.